How to fix disk write error on Steam. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this annoying problem. This video is recommended for both Windows and Mac users. So, watch till the end. First, right click on your taskbar and open the task manager, or you can simply search for task manager. Here it is, click on it and open your task manager. If Steam is already running in your PC, just right click on it and click on end task, or just simply click on it and you will find a end test button. Then you need to close it from your background of PC, then go to details, and here you need to find steam.exe. Here it is, click on it and click on end task. Here you need to give the confirmation. Just simply click on end process, and you need to make sure that your Steam app is not running anymore on your PC's background. Now here search for Steam and right click on it and click on run as administrator. As you can see, my Steam is now loading, and after logging in, you need to go to library and you need to go to the game that where you are facing this type of problem. For example, I'm facing this problem with this game. Now simply right click on it and go to properties. Here go to install file. Now at the last you will find verify integrity of game file. You just simply click on it. Now it will verify your integrated file, and you can see all the files successfully validated. Now if there's any problem with any type of file, just reinstall it, or if this file is temporary file with related with this game, you can simply just delete this file or fix this file by reinstallation process. Now click on Steam icon at the top left corner. You'll find it here. Just simply click on it and go to settings. Click on settings. Now at the left side you need to go to downloads. From here you will find the region, download region. Here set this region according to your location. Make sure the location and your region on Steam is matched. If you find out that your region is not matched with your current location, please kindly change the region according to your location. Now you will find clear download cache here. Simply clear all cache. Now confirm, and you will find shut down. The Steam is shutting down on your system. You need to reopen this app, Steam app, on Windows, or it will open up from itself. Now it will ask for re-login from here, or then when you logged in your Steam account you can try out again. Then if you find this the problem does not fix, then click on your Windows icon and search for add or remove programs. Click on it. Here you need to search for Steam and simply uninstall Steam on your device and reinstall it from steam.com. By a simple reinstallation process, a vital issue can be solved easily. Now that's all to fix disk writer error on Steam. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a like and subscribe our channel. click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.